My name is Raulh of Godcuredme. People always email me asking me what type of snacks I eat. Well, here's one. It looks like the word Jamaica, but it is pronounced jicama, and it goes by many other names including Chinese potato, Mexican yam, Mexican yam bean, Mexican water chestnut, Mexican turnip, and leaf cup. Jicamas are usually a seasonal plant, which you can find in most grocery stores from spring to fall. It is a root vegetable with thick brown skin. It's white inside, tastes like an apple, but it's not as sweet. It's a bit like a potato, but with a lot fewer carbs. The jicama plant grows mostly in Mexico and Central America on a long vine, but the part you eat is the root. Now jicama only has one risk. Only the flesh of the root of the vegetable is safe to eat. Jicama's skin, stem, leaves, and the seeds are poisonous, but have no fear. I'll show you how to cut it open in a minute. On the outside, the jicama looks like a light brown beet. Inside, it looks and feels like a raw potato, but it doesn't taste like one. It's crisp and slightly sweet like an apple, but jicama doesn't brown like an apple after you cut it. Jicama's nutrition: one medium-sized jicama has 250 calories, 32 grams of fiber, 12 grams of sugar, 4 grams of protein, and 15 to 19% of your daily recommended vitamin C. Jicama's health benefits: fiber. It's a fiber-packed snack that prevents constipation, lowers cholesterol, and lowers your chance of getting colon cancer and heart disease. Vitamin C. This vitamin gives a big boost to the immune system, your body's defense against germs. It's also good for your eyes and skin, and it lessens inflammation in the body, which could cause arthritis and other diseases. Vitamin B6. Jicama has this key vitamin, which supports your brain and nerves, forms red blood cells, and turns protein into energy. Antioxidants. Jicama has several of these compounds, which help prevent cell damage. Getting enough antioxidants from food has been linked to lower risk of cancer, diabetes, heart disease, and cognitive decline. Boost heart health. Jicama has dietary fiber, which may lower cholesterol levels. Prebiotic. Jicama is rich in a type of prebiotic fiber, which help restore the good bacteria in your gut. Helps with hydration. Jicama is 85% water. Use it to help you stay hydrated, especially when it's hot outside. Safe for blood sugar. If you're watching your blood sugar and insulin, jicama is a safe snack. It has carbs, but they have low glycemic load, which means carbs don't affect your blood sugar level very much. Now I'll show you how to prepare a jicama. Choose a jicama that's small, heavy, and firm, and has smooth skin. Wash it well and cut off the roots. Most roots will already be cut off when you buy it at the store. Now some people use a vegetable peeler, but I found that the skin is so tough that it will actually dull the blade. So what I like to do is use a knife, a large, sharp knife. And you want to use a knife that's twice as long as the jicama itself, and it makes it much easier to cut. So what I do is, I start by holding it in place with one hand, using the other starting towards one of the ends, and slicing down. Then I just move a little bit to the side and slice another one. And I continue to slice until it gets to where it starts wobbling unevenly. Then I just turn the jicama around and start slicing from that opposite side. Once you've cut it into these slices, take one of the slices, stand it on end, and then peel it by using a knife going straight downward. This keeps you from cutting your hand, and it peels nice and evenly. Do the same with the rest. Now when you get to the end pieces, what I do is I hold it like this, and I start from the middle and I peel going downward. Once I finish one side, I just turn it over and do the exact same thing on the other side. These are the hardest pieces to peel, and we don't want to throw any of the jicama away. Now remember, we don't want to eat any of the peel, and as you're peeling it, sometimes the peel will actually break off in small pieces, and we don't want it on the jicama when we eat it. So if you feel necessary, go ahead and rinse your jicama off. Then you can lay them down on a napkin each side for approximately 5 minutes to absorb the water, or you can just simply stand them up where they're not touching each other. You don't want them to touch each other where they're sealed together when they're wet, because condensation will build between the two and they'll still be moist. You want to keep your jicama dry. So stand them like this so that they're not pressed against each other so that they drip. Let it sit for approximately 5 to 10 minutes and then just drain the water out. How to eat a jicama. Most people, like myself, eat jicamas raw by itself, or you can add it to your salad for extra vitamins. How to store jicama. When you first buy it from the store and it's unpeeled, keep it in a cool area and it'll last for approximately 2 weeks. Once you cut it, wrap it tightly or place it in a Tupperware bowl with an airtight lid and store it in the refrigerator. It should last for at least a week. And there you have it, one of my favorite snacks. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. I post a new video every week. Once again, my name is Raulh of Godcuredme. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video. So if you found this information to be helpful, give me a thumbs up and like and share this video. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that little bell for future notifications of when I post a new video. I post a new video every week. You can follow me on all social media at Godcuredme. Also, for a free list of foods that you should eat for nutritional value, or if you want to jump straight into learning how to heal yourself or virtually end a disease God's way, visit my website at Godcuredme.com. All the links are in the description box below. And as always, my name is Raulh. I won't just pray for you. I'll feed you knowledge. May your health be blessed through your works. Hope to see you soon.